Anne Allison has joined the group of Johnny Depp's ex-girlfriends who have backed him in the face of accusations made by Amber Heard, another one of his ex-girlfriends. Depp was involved in two prominent cases between 2020 and 2022 that centered on his claimed domestic violence of Heard. He sued the British tabloid The Sun in 2020 after they called him a wife-beater, according to Heard, who claimed he had mistreated her while they were married. The actor was everything but, according to Winona Ryder, one of Depp's most well-known ex-wives, who said in a statement at the time that the idea that he is an incredibly violent person is the farthest thing from the Johnny I knew and loved. The mother of Depp's two children, the French model Vanessa Paradis, agreed, stating that she has known Johnny to be a kind, attentive, generous and non-violent person and father. Another of Depp's ex-girlfriends defended him when he and Heard squared off in court in 2022 after the Pirates of the Caribbean actor claimed she had slandered him. At that point, Kate Moss raised her voice. She denied Heard's allegations during her testimony, saying, "He never pushed me, kicked me, or threw me down any stairs." All of Depp's previous ex-wives, including his first wife Allison, kept silent about the situation. But over a year after he prevailed in the defamation case, Allison eventually spoke her opinions about what had transpired, including her assessment of Heard. When asked what she thought about Amber Heard, Anne Allison did not hold back. The professional makeup artist, who was married to Depp from 1983 to 1985, declined to refer to the Aquaman actor by her name and instead used the phrase "she who shall not be named" in a guest appearance on the Popcorn Planet podcast. Heard was not entirely unknown to Allison, she said, adding that they had previously been excellent friends. She recounted, "I'd been to parties at his house and I'd met her before, and she looked really lovely, and she was gorgeous, and what's not to love?" But over time, especially after learning about their turbulent relationship, her opinion of the actor began to shift. "He didn't seem to be pleased all the time," she said, as time passed and more information about her came to light. Allison also recalled how she followed the defamation case and believed Heard's assertions to be untrue. "What he said in court affected me more than anything else. I think I cried a few times because I felt so awful for him," she added. "I'm not a saint. The things she did were truly awful, and if there were things I could do to her that were legal, I would do them. I'd done my fair share of shitty things to people." Few people are aware that Anne Allison contributed to Johnny Depp's rise to fame. According to Hollywood Life, she connected him to Nicolas Cage, who secured him a part in A Nightmare on Elm Street, the movie that made him famous. Even if her marriage to Depp didn't work out, it's understandable that they kept in touch given the fact that she was largely responsible for his professional success. Allison said that she and Depp have remained cordial over the years and that she has his best interests at heart, saying on the Popcorn Planet podcast, "He is very giving. He has the biggest heart I've ever encountered." She admitted, "I love him dearly, and I get all misty-eyed when I think about him and his future, our past. I hope he feels the same way about me since I only want the best for him. He is generous and compassionate, and I can't wait to see him again since I miss hugging him." Although Allison isn't as vocal as some of Depp's other ex-wives, this isn't the first time she has boosted his image. When Amber Heard first said that Depp had injured her in 2016, Allison told TMZ that her ex wasn't violent at all. According to her, Depp was a soft person who never touched her during their marriage and who she would always remember as being compassionate to everyone, including animals. Thanks so much for visiting today, folks, and be sure to smash that subscribe button in order to stay on top of American celebrity gossip. Until next time, stay safe.